We're headed out to Refugio Beach for another beach day. It's May 20th, 2020, and we haven't been going to the beach too much because we've been under quarantine. Not quarantine, but social distancing. But today's a beautiful day. We're off pretty early. It's only 9:22, and
it's Luca's 2-year and 9-month birthday.
Oh, hi Luca. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Beach.
Are we going to the beach? Yeah. All right. Gonna have fun. Oh, look at that. Hello there.
Good job.
Oh, you have a mask on?
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't need it down there. This is a trail down to the beach at Refugio, but since the park's closed, we have to walk in, which is okay. Adds to the adventure. It's a nice creek. The water's running in the creek. We're wearing masks, except for Luca. He doesn't want to wear his mask. But we're going to have a good time. There's swallows up there. They've got, those are the parents. They're flying all over the place. What do you think?
Hold it up.
You have to point it at us.
Point it at us.
Look in the back of the camera and you can see us. Over this way. Okay, it looks like we need to get in the picture. Okay, look at this way. Oh,
Yeah.
good. Can you see us in the picture?
Do it of yourself. Do a selfie.
Turn it around.
Take selfie.
You're this way.
Oh, yeah, now you're doing it.
Also TV.
Oh, very good. Cheese. Say cheese.
Did we do a good job?
All right. Very good. 3. Okay,
Beach
there
day.
they are. Beach day. We'll take a selfie. This is a selfie.
Where's the camera?
Look
Say
at the
beach day.
camera. Say beach day. Where are we? Look at this empty beach. It's awesome. The closest person is about 1/8 of a mile away, maybe.
We're breaking all the rules. We
And
brought all our gear.
nobody on the beach. This is what you call social distancing. Isn't that right, Luke? Social distancing. Oh, it's gonna fall. There. Oh, good water.
Pet squirrel.
Good.
Hey, my.
Mussel shell. Show it to mommy. Oh wow, that is a big stick. What are you gonna do with that big stick? You gonna stand there like mommy? Oh, nice. What did you find? Something for our teepee?
A sharp rock.
A sharp, oh, you have to be careful with that one. That one's a little bit dangerous. Somebody painted it. It's really heavy. You got it? Let's take it to our teepee. Oh!
Wow.
Shade. Bubba made shade up there.
I
The teepee.
want to take a picture.
Do you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to turn it around. Yeah, now you have to point it up. See, you look in here. That's the picture. Look at your mommy. She's making the rocks. She's turning the rocks. She's working.
Please.
Can you see me in the back of the camera? See, this is where the picture comes out, right there.
Do selfie, Grandpa. Do
Selfie? Okay.
Selfie.
Come over here. We'll do a selfie.
Selfie.
That's where you do a selfie, right there.
Selfie.
Selfie.
Cuddly?
All right. Here comes a fish. Here comes a fish. It's coming in. Oh no, no, oh, you missed it. Oh, no, no. You got it that time. That squirrel is really scared of you.
They are scary.
That's my pocket place.
Is this where are you going? Where are you going?
With my hand, Grandpa.
All right. Oh, it's cold. Here comes the wave. Where are you going? Oh! Oh, it's cold. Oh, that is cold. Brain freeze. Brain freeze on the feet. Oh.
Clover, Grandma.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
I was on the camera.
Okay, let's go down to the water.
I'm so sorry.
Hold it up. Hold the camera up. Yay! Oh, you're cold. You're shivering. Got Luca working. Come on, Luca. Pull that thing. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Good job. Good job. It's always good to bring Luca. Adventure. That was an adventure.
We're going on the next adventure?
You had a really nice time.
Yeah, it's worth it each day. Let's do it every day.
Going a new adventure, a real adventure, and Grandpa's adventure, and Mommy's adventure.
Yes,
Yeah.
we all went on an adventure.